The US can't just be the research leader. You can't publish some research and decide to put it on a shelf and have it not go anywhere. That's one of the major things driving the Chips and Science Act. We've got to stop thinking about manufacturing as not being a research endeavor.
The way that we made more and more powerful chips is to put more transistors onto the chip. And we can put more transistors on the chip because the transistors keep getting smaller and smaller. Now they're not getting smaller at the same pace as they used to. So to make more and more powerful chips, we need more chips, but we need them to act like one chip. We need to put all these transistors all together. And the way that you do that falls under this umbrella term, advanced packaging. And it really is sort of the next big wave of innovation and keeping pace with the needs of technology.